If you're looking for a way to supplement your retirement and have a passion for mentoring young adults, I have the program for you. So many life coach courses give you great instruction, but after you're finished, you're left with no idea how to advertise or how to get clients. You could end up feeling like you've just wasted your time and your money, and the desire to help others is still left unfulfilled. Hi, my name is Ken Rabow, and I've been mentoring young adults successfully since 2001 and training adults with a passion to help the next generation since 2016. Worldwide Youth Mentoring will supply you with the ideal mentees. We take care of the advertising, getting the clients, scheduling, payments, and support your ongoing mentoring career, whether it's part-time or full-time. That means once you graduate, you can earn back the cost of the course within 3 to 4 months and make a great living mentoring young adults online for the rest of your life. The best way to find out if this is right for you? Click on the button below. Check out the video, sign up for the free consultation. Be early, be on a computer, not a phone, for the Zoom call, and I'll see you on the other side. My name is Ken Rabow. I'm a mentor for young adults. Join me.